Here is a wonderful 2020 Nissan Altima. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, blind spot monitor. Feel relaxed and confident behind the wheel of this stylish Altima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.